Do you love wearing big, comfy clothes? You find that you're pulling out a few of the same dresses every day because they're big and comfy and you feel like you're hiding a few parts of your body that you're working on. You're on that weight loss journey and you're getting there. Well, I'm going to share with you today a tip on how you can turn your big frock into something a little more form-fitting and feel more confident in how you go out into the world. Hi, I'm Sophia Denman and I am the inventor of Cinch. It is a little fashion fix-it accessory that I developed for women just like you, because I'm just like you. I love wearing comfortable clothes. And I know after I had my fourth child and I was starting to lose a few pounds, I was feeling good about myself, but I wasn't ready to go out and buy a whole new wardrobe because I was on my way down to my ideal size. So I tried lots of different hacks. I was tying knots, I was using safety pins because I didn't want to sew all of my clothes because, you know, let's face it, there are times of the month that I feel a little bloated. There's different times I've gained weight, I've lost weight. So I keep all my big clothes because they feel so comfortable. Well, there are times though that I want to start showing off a little bit more of my figure. And that's exactly why I invented Cinch. So what I'm going to show you right now is a way that you can take this big dress and enhance your waistline. Because there is something about showing off your waistline. It makes your body look a little more feminine, you look a little more pulled together, and I'm telling you, you just feel better about yourself. So basically, I'm going to use the big cinch today because there's a lot of fabric in this dress. And there's lots of different places you can use it. You can put it on in the back if you want to. Sometimes I put it on the side of the dress just to kind of create that angle. But right now, I'm just going to show you right here in the center, just because of the way this dress is hanging. So I'm going to take the cinch and I basically go on the inside. I poke the fabric through and I just pull it. And I'm pulling a lot of fabric through. And now it's still a big comfortable dress, but it kind of adds a little bit of a style, which is definitely more slimming. I think it looks great. I feel like I have a whole new outfit. I didn't have to spend any money and I'm excited. And here's the thing, it's important that we do love our style every day and we feel good when we go out into the world. So if you'd like to see more ideas on how you too can create your own style and enhance the fit of really any dress, blouse, tunic, t-shirt, check out my YouTube channel and you'll see lots of great videos that may inspire you to love your style every day.